educator Angel Japati.
Okay, I heard someone say success. How it should be?
Success.
Success. Yes. And I heard someone say educational. Educational. I heard someone say either. No, actually other. Someone would like to say other, but she mentioned either.
I think it's either.
Not either, no.
Not either.
Yang lain.
Yeah.
Yang lain, other. Then experience. It should be
Experience.
Pikir. Menjelaskan.
Mention. Explain.
Sibuk. Then give applause. Is that? Give a big. Is that okay? Because in other club there was a language evaluator from Australia, and she said it would be give a big hand. Then there is a quote that I like from Ibu Yani for this whole meeting. The special quote, ikhlas adalah motivasi untuk menuju berbangsa.